Yesterday, I went for a walk around the new college park with the intention of making my way up to Bangor University because I'm looking at developing some calendars for 2026 for Substack subscribers who have a paid account to my Substack blog. You'll be aware that you get one of these free calendars every year for following my blog. So I produced a picture from the main arts corridor. For those of you who are aware of Bangor University, main arts is its main building. The main corridor that runs through the centre of it is architecturally beautiful, and I wanted to capture a picture from inside. So here is the production of the picture, and as you'll see below from the blog, there's a choice of pictures that I'm aiming to engage you with. Which do you think is best? Let me know in the comments below.